5 downtown Salt Lake bars and clubs were ordered to temporarily close over the weekend for allegedly violating COVID-19 health orders. The Salt Lake County Health Department issued notices Saturday night to Echo, Karma, Lake Effect, Twist, and an establishment formerly known as the New Yorker at 60 West Market Street. Both Lake Effect and Twist quickly corrected the issues and were able to reopen Sunday. 3 other bars, Soundwell, Wasted Space, and London Bell, received written warnings for violating health orders.
Fox 13's Sydney Glenn caught up with the owner of Twist Bar and Bistro today. Sydney, how long were they closed down?
Bob and Kelly, what's interesting is the owner here at Twist Bar says they never actually had to close down during business hours. Well, he says the health department came late Saturday night. They actually allowed them to stay open during their normal hours. And then the next morning, they submitted their plan and they were able to open as usual Sunday afternoon.
Frankly, everybody that comes here knows how safe this place is.
Kirk Benson says they do everything they can to make Twist Bar and Bistro safe, from masks to social distancing to temperature checks. That's why he says he was shocked the county health department told them to close.
And now all of a sudden, they come in here when we do all these extra things and they tell us, oh, because your tables aren't 10 feet apart, we're going to shut you down. And then they say, okay, well, you can still stay open for the rest of the day. Okay, wait a minute. If it was that bad, why didn't you shut me down and kick everybody out?
Benson says everyone was socially distanced.
The whole thing was crazy because, like I said, we've always made sure that our guests were 6 feet apart.
Here's what the notice looked like that all 5 bars and clubs received. Fox 13 did obtain a copy of the violation issued at Twist. The violations were for not social distancing.
Clearly, we are doing a good job. Clearly, we do have a safe bar. And clearly, they weren't worried about the patrons or else they would have shut me down and kicked everybody out right then. And I wasn't even closed down for 12 hours.
A spokesperson for the Salt Lake County Health Department says each of the 5 bars and clubs, including Twist, Echo, Karma, Lake Effect, and an establishment formerly known as the New Yorker that received a notice to shut down temporarily were in violation of the mask mandate or social distancing. Kirk says the most frustrating part is he knows of so many places that aren't taking any precautions and are still operating.
We've sent pictures of that to the health department. They haven't done anything for 7 months.
Kirk says he worries he may be being targeted because he, along with several other bar owners, sued the state and governor over the 10 p.m. alcohol ban just a few months back.
I feel, and I was worried, and all my legal counsel told me, Kirk, when you go after the governor and the health department for this 10 p.m. mandate shutdown, you're going to put a target on your back.
We did reach out to the Salt Lake County Health Department. They declined to do an interview with us today. We did also reach out to those 4 other establishments who received these same violations, but we have not heard back yet. Live in Salt Lake City, Sydney Glenn, Fox 13 News, Utah. All right.